I turned 12, I wanted to play guitar.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Yen, and for today's video I'm gonna be doing the date night makeup look. I hope you guys will like it, and let's get started. Also guys, all the products that I use for this look will be on the description box below, so if you guys are interested, make sure to check that out. Okay guys, so first step is to apply your favorite moisturizer, and I already did off camera. And after that, I'm just gonna go in and apply my favorite foundation at the moment, and then draw my eyebrows the usual way.
Sort out, what's right in front of you.
After drawing in my eyebrows, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna apply an apricot colored eyeshadow all over my lids as well as on my eye pillow as my transition color. After that, I'm gonna use a darker shade of brown and apply it on my upper crease, then blend it in. Blend it in. Then after that, I'm just gonna use a darker shade of brown, sort of like a reddish brown, and apply it on the outer part of my lids, and then I'm just gonna blend them together.
The cosmos, you would think it was quite a comic undertaking, and yet how different are we that we should presume to more than a shadow of the truth.
Now after that, I'm just using a black eyeshadow and applying it all over my lids, and then I'm just gonna blend everything together. After that, I'm gonna go in and apply my eyeliner, and you guys, I'm using gel eyeliner because for this look, it is a lot easier to use gel eyeliner. And as you guys can see, I'm just throwing in my eyeliner a little bit extra for this look. And then after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my lashes and apply my favorite mascara. And you guys, earlier I also applied a white eyeliner on my lower waterline, and that is to make my eyes look a lot more bigger. And then I'm gonna use my highlighter and apply it on the inner corners of my eyes. And the next step will be highly optional. And what I do is I just cut my falsies in half and apply it on the outer corners of my lashes. The next step is to contour your face as well as your nose, and then after that, I'm just gonna apply my highlighter on my upper cheeks, on my cupid's bow, as well as on the tip of my nose. Lips. Now I'm just using a nude lipstick and apply it all over my lips. I'm just gonna blend it in using my fingers. And the next step is to apply any sort of like darker shade of nude. And for me, I'm using the color lipstain from apieu. I'm just applying it at the center part of my lips and then blending it. Now any type of darker lip tint will do. As for me, I'm using the one from Etude House and applying it at the center part of my lips, and then don't blend it too much. And I decided to add a little bit of like red tint to my lip, so I decided to go in and use a red colored lip tint and apply it at the center part of my lips. And that's it, you guys. It's so easy and you're done. I hope you guys like this look. Please hit like and subscribe to my channel if you do so, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!
When you say that you love me, 난 하늘 위를 건너 영원히 말해줘 just one more time.